The growing industries are beverage, manufacturing drinks, things like biscuits and processed foods, and then manufacturing building supplies. Because it is a growing economy. The housing stock is being upgraded. So far, Kigali has been spreading 2D. It has been spreading length and breadth, and high rises and skyscrapers as well. All that requires a lot of building materials. And there is a 66% import duty on any product, that finished goods that are coming into the country. They're trying to discourage people from bringing finished goods. They want people to prepare goods over here. Let's say you're producing plastic pipes. Raw material, which is at 0% duty. In total, if you're manufacturing locally, then your margins could be up to 100% of manufacturing. And manufacturing is one industry that the government is promoting because it wants to create jobs. Rwanda has low unemployment, but it still has an employment up to around 10-11%. It wants to reduce that. Opportunities for them in manufacturing and in hospitality. Again, it's a very young industry for Kigali. I have had bad experiences just with coffee. Place an order with a coffee, for half an hour, nothing turns up. Customer service. You go to Nairobi, you go to Tanzania, hospitality for many generations, they know how to deal with it. Rwanda has a very young population. Reason why they lack these skills, soft skills. So these are the three industries, I would say. Manufacturing of agricultural processed goods. If you can do something in hospitality training, or anything to do with accommodating, guiding tours or arranging tours and things like that.